Hi guys, today's the day I'm going to teach you how to name a chick. So, she is Flayla because Flayla has this in her claws and her wings, but, oh, come back here, Flayla. It's okay. And Flayla just flapped because she's a little scared. And that, they are the same colors as that chick. And they have the same endings. Oh, and they have wings. But that's long. They can flap. Like, she just thinks so she could get away.
So how do you come up with a name for a chicken?
You just think and think and think. So, you can think until you say a word. Because if you want to name it that, name it. Because I know her name is Layla. Bye-bye, guys.